If you want to rebuild your finances, don't focus on getting lucky. Focus on building rich habits, because your habits determine where your money goes and whether your wealth grows. Here are the habits that financially successful people practice consistently. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying things you want, set aside money for saving and investing. Treat investing like a monthly bill that can never be skipped. Habit number 2, track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. Know exactly how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money is going every month. Habit number 3, live below your means. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. The wealthiest people often spend less than they earn and invest the difference. Habit number 4, buy assets every month. Instead of spending every extra dollar, use it to buy assets like stocks, ETFs, index funds, businesses, or real estate. Assets have the potential to grow your wealth over time. Habit number 5, keep learning. Read books about money. Study investing. Learn business. Financial knowledge compounds just like your investments. Habit number 6, avoid bad debt. Borrowing money for things that lose value can slow down your financial progress. Use debt carefully and understand the long-term cost before taking it on. Habit number 7, build multiple income streams. Don't rely on one paycheck forever. Look for opportunities to earn through investing. A side business, freelance work, or digital products. More income creates more opportunities to invest. Habit number 8, think long-term. Stop chasing overnight success. The people who build real wealth usually stay consistent for years. Small investments made regularly can become significant over time. Habit number 9, delay gratification. Instead of asking, can I afford this? Ask yourself, is this purchase helping me build wealth? Learning to wait before buying can save thousands over a lifetime. Habit number 10, review your finances every month. Check your budget, track your investments, measure your progress. Small adjustments made consistently can lead to big results over time. Here's the truth. Rich habits won't make you wealthy overnight, but they can completely change your financial future if you stay disciplined. Start with one habit today, then add another next month. Before long, you'll have built a financial system that works for you instead of against you. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to budgeting, saving, investing, and building long-term wealth, check out my Wealth Blueprint. You'll find the link in the description. Subscribe for more videos on investing, personal finance, and financial freedom.